What is going on, guys, and welcome to the Teach Hanley channel. My name is Dave, and we are living in some stressful times right now. If you've been stressing out about the pandemic, about a new job you started, about the quarantine, or whatever one of the other million things 2021 might have you worried about, it could be messing with your sleep schedule. Nothing worse than multiple nights in a row of bad quality sleep, and when this becomes a weekly issue, then it can really screw things up in your life. So today we're going to talk about how to de-stress before bed so you can get a great night's sleep, wake up feeling great too. Let's get into it. The first way to de-stress is to do a nighttime workout. If you're used to working out in the morning or in the middle of the day, try switching it up and working out at night for a few days instead. Doing this is going to make your body a lot more tired, and this is going to make it easier for you to lay down, relax, and pass out as soon as you hit the sheets. This is going to help you to stay asleep too, so you can sleep the entire night and wake up truly nice and rested. Working out at night is a great way to unwind from a long day as well, especially maybe you've been sitting at your desk all day, hunched over, something like that. Well, you get out there, you get moving, you're gonna feel better. One thing though is you might wanna go easy on that pre-workout powder if that's something you take, because that's gonna keep you up all night. So probably avoid that when you do these nighttime workouts. Number 2, try an evening meditation session. Meditation is one of my favorite ways to relax and decompress after a long day. And if you've never done it before, there's a ton of guys out there on YouTube that can show you how. Netflix just released a new show by Headspace, which has their own meditation app. And they basically walk you through how to meditate, great techniques to do so, and all that. So you can check that out as well. Meditation won't just help you to sleep though, it can actually change your brain for the better. Studies have shown that consistent meditation can actually change the white matter in your brain. This is responsible for your memory, your creativity, and your compassion. So when this is more on point, you're gonna feel a lot happier and feel better. I've been meditating every single day for years, and it's been a huge game changer. I can't recommend it enough. Go ahead, give it a try. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. CBD is a non-psychoactive ingredient in cannabis, so basically it doesn't mess you up, but it does calm you down, and it comes in the form of oils, creams, and other things. If you haven't tried it yet, do some research online. There is so much about it. It is really blown up over the past couple of years, so you can easily find resources to find out whether or not it's right for you. I personally use a CBD cream on my neck and back, which are often very sore. I use that at night. Really helps me to feel better, really helps me to sleep in a refreshed way, and I'm ready to hit the gym the next day and go at it. Number 4, try a nighttime skincare routine. It really helps to have habits that help you to unwind from a long day and get ready for bed. One of the best habits to do that is a nighttime skincare routine. Spending a few minutes to wash, exfoliate, and moisturize your skin is gonna make you feel great. It's gonna be something you look forward to, and your skin's gonna feel nice, clear, and radiant too. And hey, after a long day, you have to wash off all that bacteria that's built up throughout the day. Specifically, you need a quality face wash and an exfoliating scrub like Teach Hanley's. These are gonna get deep in your skin, remove that dirt and that buildup, and get you looking clear. This is gonna help you combat acne and any other blemishes that might pop up. But keep in mind, only exfoliate twice a week. This is gonna make sure you don't get irritated and inflamed. Teach also has a PM moisturizer that's gonna help keep your skin hydrated throughout the night so you don't wake up itching and scratching dry skin on your face. And if you struggle with aging marks, try out Teach's Level 3 skincare system. This comes with an eye cream and a super serum, which is gonna help you to combat against crow's feet, eye puffiness, and dark circles, as well as any other aging marks that might come up. Number 5, go for an evening stroll. I've been going on daily and nighttime walks for the past few months, and it's really made a difference in my overall level of calm, and it just feels good to get out there, get active, and walk around. Now, if you live in a safe neighborhood, go out there and go on an evening walk. All it takes is 10 to 15 minutes to unwind throughout the day. Go out there, don't bring out your headphones, don't be listening to music, just kind of allow yourself to unwind and not look at any screens for a bit. Anyway, bro, give these a try, see if they can help you reduce your stress and start getting those great nights of sleep. Now, if you want to see more of Teach Hanley's products, check this out right here. If you want to watch more of Teach Hanley's videos, check this out right here. And I will see you in the next video, bro. Peace out.